Welcome back to our GP versus BC video series. In today's video 3.4, we're going to explore how data imports differ from Dynamics GP and Business Central. Let's get into it. In GP, data imports are handled a few different ways. First, you have Integration Manager. This is a GUI-based tool designed for importing data from flat files. It's fairly user-friendly, but it can be slow, especially for large volumes, and it's no longer actively being developed. Next up, SQL inserts. Direct inserts are high risk because they bypass GP's business logic and done wrong will lead to data corruption, so this is not generally recommended. Next, we have macros. Macros in GP are an old school way to bring data into the system by recording keystrokes and mouse clicks. They're fragile, they do require babysitting, and if an error pops up mid-run, you'll need to clean up manually, deleting what was already entered before restarting to avoid duplication. Finally, many GP shops rely on third-party tools for more complex data imports. These tools are typically faster and safer than direct SQL inserts, but they do come with an additional cost, potential compatibility concerns, and add an extra layer of maintenance to manage. In Business Central, importing data is built into the product with multiple native options. First, configuration packs. Think of these as Integration Manager on steroids. They're the go-to tool for importing data into Business Central. They're Excel-based and they map directly to BC tables and fields. They're faster at processing data and include built-in validation to catch errors before importing. And they're built in, so there's no extra cost to use them. And then there are APIs. BC uses modern REST APIs. They're faster, lighter, and easier to work with than GP's SOAP services. Second, BC gives you access to more data and more flexibility. You can read, write, update, and delete records across a wide range of tables without needing extra tools. Finally, BC's APIs work great with the Power Platform, meaning you can build automations and apps using Power Automate or Power Apps, something that GP just couldn't do natively. GP has served us well for decades, but Business Central brings new tools that make data import faster, more flexible, and built for today's connected systems. It's not about replacing what works, it's about building for what's next. Thanks for watching, and reach out if you'd like to connect or learn more about the move from GP to BC. Stay tuned for more videos.